everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to effortlessly change the format of your videos using CapCut on PC. To begin, select the video you wish to edit. For instance, if you want your video to be in a TikTok or YouTube Shorts format, simply opt for the 9:16 frame ratio. Then, adjust the scale and position to match the chosen ratio. We can scroll down, click Canvas, choose Blur, fill the video. This format is also suitable for an Instagram story. If you prefer an Instagram post format, select the 1:1 ratio and adjust it by zooming in as needed. For a standard YouTube video, the 16:9 ratio is commonly used. CapCut provides a range of format options, so pick the one that best fits your requirements and customize it to your preference. Although there is an auto-reframe feature available, it requires a pro version. I suggest manually adjusting the frame ratio and zooming in or out based on your video content. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.